Okay, so I'm sure you have seen the Elon Musk SpaceX launches. Well, I decided that I want my own claim to fame, so we're gonna put an Acura NSX almost 1 mile in the sky. Now, I am cheating a little bit. We are in Colorado, so we're already about 4,700 feet where I'm at, but we're gonna see if we can go a little bit higher. And if you look over here, we've got a drone and we've got an Acura NSX attached to it. So we got to show you the NSX real quick up close, because if this thing goes away, we want to make sure we get some footage of it before it goes. All right, let's go look at it. All right, so what do we got? We got a Holy Stone drone, and let me tell you, we got some DJI products, and so far this thing's quite impressive for 200 bucks. But we've got an Acura NSX already hooked up to it. So, all right guys, here we go. Highest altitude NSX. So I'm gonna read what's on this screen right here. It's got 7 feet, but we're gonna go up, guys. All right, here we go. I'm gonna also be filming it so you guys can see, but I gotta move this gimbal real quick. All right, gimbal. Let's see, gimbal. How do you move the gimbal?
It's that roller there. You can aim down.
There we go. All right, we'll see if we could aim at the NSX. I'm not sure if we can, but here we go, guys. Let's see. Highest NSX. Oh man, 177 feet, 210 feet, 220 feet, 256 feet, 285 feet, 305 feet, 333 feet. We're at 364 feet. And we do have an FAA limit. What's our 400 feet, guys. We only got a little bit more. That's it right there, 384 feet. We can't go any higher. All right, let's bring it down. We're bringing it down. Woo! And you can see it as it comes down. It is shaking the NSX. Highest NSX ever. Look at that. And I see the NSX, it is moving. All right, guys, it is here and we are official. Here in Drivers Therapy, we have the highest altitude NSX in the world, and nobody can beat that, baby.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.